Welcome to online English class 9th standard by Kamali. Happily here students. Today we are going to uh, teach session is Unit 1 Prose, learning the game written by Sachin Tendulkar. Right. So before that we need to know about the author. These clippings are taken from your textbook. Okay, about the author. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born on 24th April 1973 in Mumbai, Maharashtra. He was a former Indian cricketer and captain, widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. So means Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, it is his full name of Sachin, who was born in 24th April 1973 in Mumbai. So in the state of Maharashtra, in the place of Mumbai, who was born in 1973 in the year. He was a former Indian cricketer. Former Indian cricketer means he's a very popular normal cricketer, Indian cricketer, and captain widely regarded as one of the greatest cricketers of all time. We all know very well about the familiar person in cricket field, Sachin, who is I think you people are very happy to know or seeing your playboy that is called a cricketer, that is called Sachin. So Sachin we know all about, all known in a very familiar person. So in all time he made an impact in cricket from a very early age. So he entered in the cricket field. He was a very early age. Well, when he was a child, he was entered in the cricket field, displaying as a prodigious talent. He was expressed his what is that? Very skillful person in a cricket field. Then the world famous cricketer has set many records in his career and is considered as one of the greatest batsmen of all times. So what is that? Here the world famous cricketer has set many records. We all know how beautiful and talented person Sachin is. He was a great cricketer as well as he got a lot of awards and a lot of prizes and a lot of Nobel prizes like that. His career and considered as one of the greatest batsmen of all time. He is a great batsman of all times. He is the only player to have scored 100 international centuries. So he got 100 international centuries. Then the first to score the double century in one day international. So he was scored a double century in a one day international cricket match and only player to complete more than 30,000 runs. So in one player, right, in Sachin is a one player who complete more than 13,000 runs in international cricket. Then he played a 664 international cricket matches. He was played, right, he was played, what is that, 664 international matches in total scoring of 34,357 runs. Okay, then in the year 2012 Tendulkar was nominated to the Rajya Sabha. So who was nominated in a Rajya Sabha? Then he retired. Okay, he retired from his cricket on 16th November 2013. So in 2013 he was retired from his career cricket. Learning the game is what is that? Learning the game is an extract from his autobiography. Autobiography, what does mean by autobiography? Autobiography means, for example, I write about myself, that is called autobiography, right? For another one is you write about myself, that is called biography. Right, so here the Sachin who write about her own self, own experience, that is called autobiography. The what is it? The title of autobiography is the Play It My Way, playing it my way. So in this lesson is exactly comparative to the his autobiography, Playing It My Way. So that is called learning the game. Okay, so I hope you understand about the author. We move on the lesson. Okay. Okay, the very first paragraph. From a very early age, I played a tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. So, Sachin, who write about his own experience in the learning the game, right? How he learned the game clearly. That is called cricket. How Sachin, who was learning his early age, the game cricket, right? So, from very early ages, when he was very childhood, right? Then I play a tennis ball. Tennis ball means here a cricket balls, right? I played a tennis ball cricket with my colony friends. Colony friends means that apartment friends, nearby neighbors like that. He was always played with the neighbors. I loved watching cricket on television. Everyone watching television on cricket is very beautiful, as well as everyone's are like that. So in those times it is very popular. A group of people who front and sit to the TV to watching eagerly in a cricket. So I loved watching cricket on television, and in our games I often tired to emulate. Often tired. What does mean emulate? Emulate means to, what is that? To match or maybe imitation. What is that? I often tired. I imitate the mannerism of my favorite players. Like it's very common one. You people are, if you like someone, or maybe you are like some teachers, you are like some persons, you are like some actors, you try to imitate, you try to, what is that? To match, to act like that particular person. Alright, that is called imitate. So I often tried to imitate the mannerism of my favorite players. His favorite player is, who's that? The Sunil Gavaskar and West Indian legend V.V. Richards. I mean, Sunil Gavaskar and V.V. Richards, both are his favorite players in cricket. But it wasn't just a batsman that I studied. So I just studied both of them a batsman. But he's not only a batsman, he's a bowler also. So I also loved bowling. So he was also loved in bowling. He was not interested only batting. Then throughout my career, I have actually bowled a lot in the nets. But not only in my, no, throughout in my career, I'm not only take a batting only. I also bowled a lot in net. Not in net means a lot in time in the match, in that time, in the place. Right? Okay. Next we move on the next paragraph. I was then studying in New English School, Mumbai. So Sachin, who was studying in the school of New English School, Mumbai, but my brother Ajit knew that compared to other schools in Mumbai, Sadrasham Vidya Mandir, where Ramkan Arigar sir, Achigra sir, was a cricket coach. So who's that? His brother name is called Ajit, who comparatively but Ajit, who is a well loved person to the brother, who know about his brother's talent through the cricket. So he was comparatively think about how important towards a cricket coach in towards the best school in Mumbai. In that school is called Sardasham Vidya Mandir, where in Ramkan Arigar sir. Ramkan Arigar means here the coach, the best cricket coach in that, who was working in that school, was give importance to the game of cricket. So who is the coach and give some importance to that coach. Then he ran summer camps too. So he also ran summer camps. Who is Sachin, who was, if you have any free times or any holidays, he go and what is that, playing any time in a cricket where up grounded or any other training centers like that. Ajit one day took me the camp of get trained under the sir. So one day Ajit took me. He was accompanied with that. Then go to the summer camp. Who summer camp in the sense? Ariga summer camp. Then he always told about the coach to the Sachin, and anyone could come and the trial at the camp. Whoever may be, you come and prove your talent in the cricket, he may be accepted to join the summer camp. Like, but then it was up to sir decided who to accept. I was 11 years old then. Adigar sir, as I refer him, and started playing cricket at the age of 11 in 1943, which is the age I was when I went to him for the first time. So what is that? I was 11 years old when I was a child, right? I just 11 years old, but Ajit, who was decided to join the summer camp. So I was little afraid. And Arigar sir, as I refer him, and started playing at cricket of the 11. When I joined to Arigar sir camp, my age was, what is it, 11 years, but the year in 1943, which is the year I went to him in the first time in the cricket coach. So right, I hope you understand this paragraph. Next we move on the another paragraph is, these clippings are, again I told you, these clippings are I take from your textbook. If you have a textbook, please watch the textbook, otherwise you can observe the line by line way. I had never batted in nets before, felt somewhat overawed with so many people around. So overawed means here, what is the meaning of overawed? What is the impressed so much that they are silent or inhabited. So what is it? Somewhat different. Before that, what is that? I do like that. இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணது கிடையாது, லைக் அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, that is called overawed. I had never batted in the nets before, felt somewhat different feeling or exciting feeling, because people who around the nets who was encouraging me, and very crowd, all people who was very eagerly watching me what I'm doing in the field, right? So something I'm very nervous, as well as something different on my life. In the very first time, how the 11 years old boy think about all those things. Then I was asked to a bat. I was not at all comfortable. So what is that? When I was asked to the bat, because he was very what is that, very like to do the batting. So when I was asked to bat, I was not at comfortable. But even though I'm not comfortable while I doing in playing in the ground, because those people are around me and encouraging me, some people are watching eagerly what he doing in the cricket field, so that I'm not comfortable because I'm little nervous with sir watching me so closely. Who? Arigar sir, who watching very closely what the person doing, what he and skillful person in a cricket career. So I feel to make an impact, sir is called Ajit aside and informed him that. So what is that? With sir watching me closely, so I feel very uncomfortable, as well as I failed to make an impact. Maybe in my depression, I try to, or maybe I maybe I'm not impressed to the coach, right? If we really impressed some person, then that person will be what is that, impact to the our acting, right? So that I'm a little much confusion about his mind, so I'm not impressed to that coach. Sir called Ajit inside and informed him I was perhaps too young make the camp, and suggested that he would bring back. So that is called, sir called Ajit. So the Arigar who called his brother Ajit aside informed him I was perhaps, because Arigar sir, what is that, called his brother Ajit, what is that, Sachin is too old boy, so he can't able to bat well in during that time. So he takes some break, as well as do some practice, then you come to bring me, I will try it. Like that he told to his brother. I was what is that, and suggested he's bring back, and when I was a little older. So I was already, I told you I'm very little, for what is that, 11 years old. So maybe the Arigar feel like he's a too old boy, so how can he bat very well in a young age, so like that. But like what is that, the Sachin who is little much, what is that, little depressed, because he is very much in very much love in cricket, but he unfortunately he was the nervousness, so he disappointed to the cricketer coach. So little much disappointed. My induction into the Mumbai cricket circuit could have entered in failure. So intention means an action, or maybe what is that, some process, action or some process. So my intention to into the Mumbai cricket circuit would have ended in failure. So he is not that much level impressed to the coach. So the coach is disappointed. That is true one. So, but for Ajit intense, but Ajit did not believe Arigas. What is that? Atrigas disappointed, but he know very well how our brother is very loud to play the cricket, but he was disappointed. Having seen me play in the colony, Ajit knew I was capable of performing far better than I had done in front of Arigar sir. So Arigar, who separately talked to Arigar sir, he explained that he was very nervous. Okay, he explained the Sachin situation because he is a very young boy who was a lot of people around him and encouraging, and some was exciting as well as a little nervous, so that he was not take up not take up batting well. That is true one. So that you don't disappointed to him, please give one more chance or one more opportunity to him. And however suggested that doing so, sir, should pretended to go away, or sir, you just go away to watch my brother's batting, because he was little nervous. That is true one. So that he can't play well. He said everything. Since sir agreed, before long I was asked to bat again and without sir's training. So what is that? So as well as the Arigar who was accepted that deal, as well as he go away and watch, and what is that? Sachin take again to the bat and without sir training. Okay, I will go the next. Here's a continuation paragraph in the next page. Okay, dear students, eyes scrutinizing me, so I thought I felt more. Eyes scrutinizing me, so I thought I felt more at else, and soon started to hit the ball. Eyes scrutinizing me, and so I thought I felt more at else, and soon started to hit the ball and well. So later, what is that? Sachin, who was very well to play, then so I thought I felt more at else, and soon started hit the ball, the huge hit of the ball to around the net. This time, sir agreed to let him join and camp. He was well played in that ground. So Ariga sir was look away from the net, then accept that his talent to join his camp. I was delighted, and I must say it was an opportunity that transformed my life. So what is that? Sachin, who was very happy, then say it was an opportunity. It was a very good opportunity when he was a child. Then after when he joined the camp, he was totally changed his life. That what here. Right, we move on the next paragraph. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. Okay, so the camp, the holidays and the summer camp, which is started in a very morning and evening at Shivaji Park in Mumbai. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. You have what is that? Look at the time. 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the first in the morning session. Okay, 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Then I did come back in the afternoon and practice it late evening. So till from the afternoon until the evening he was practiced well. Then the schedule was rigorous. The rigorous means, what is meant by rigorous? Rigorous means extremely thorough or careful. Extremely thorough or careful. He was very sincerely doing his training, and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. He was completely tired in the end of the day. Then the traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra, who was living in the area of Bandra in Mumbai. Then he was 40 minutes to traveling from Shivaji Park to Bandra. I had to watch an early morning bus to make it on time. So what is that? I had to catch because in Bandra he is like a village from Mumbai. So he was early time. He was come to catch the bus to make it on the time into the training place. So for the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used in the routine. So Ajit, who was a brother, then he was accompanied to the bus. Then what is that? Teach how to travel in a bus, how to travel to that particular time on punctually to reach the place. Like that he was told, and a few days he was accompanied with that. And during the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuisance of batting. So usually he come to walk and talk in during the bus. While we are traveling the bus, he was Ajit who talk about the nuisance of batting. Nuisance means, what is that nuisance? Shades of meaning, like sounds and what is that, expressions and sounds, everything that is called nuisance. He was talk about how batting is, how you used to batting and how you use the opportunity. So everything he told during the about the batting. Then I always enjoyed this conversation a lot. As well as, what is that, there's some people who are traveling the bus. Some people are like Sachin or some other playing boy whose appearance is something different, because he used a bat and he used what is that, mats about his hair, legs, and wear some helmet during the bus. Is people who are feel some different about front of the playing boy. So some persons who are told some scolding, as or maybe, what is it, angry about to talk about that boys. So usually Sachin was very easily to take about that type of conversation during the bus. I in fact, the one that I have kept in with me, I my all my career is note that Ajit gave me a containing some thoughts about batting. So usually Ajit, who was encouraging to his brothers talented, so he was very eagerly observed that and kept in his mind of in cricket career. Then it served as a very personal coaching manually. So Ajit gives some advice towards the cricket in my personal what is it, in my personal way, how you was used, how you use the opportunity. You are a talented person, so you don't worry about some silly words about around your people. So like that he told, but all the words are I kept him in my mind. So that is very important to my personal coaching. He would say in that paragraph, right? So thank you students. That is it's not a lost paragraph, it's just one of the paragraph. Hereafter we see a lot of paragraphs and one more two more pages here. So we will discuss about the next class. Okay, thank you all.